Former Economic Freedom Fighters Deputy President Floyd Shivambu announced that he is leaving the EFF and will be stepping down as the EFF Deputy President and other duties he was assigned for as the EFF Member of Parliament. Floyd's decision has taken the Twitter by storm. Some also gave him a warning about joining Umkhonto we Sizwe Party, because Duduzile Sambula Zuma, the daughter of the former President Jacob Zuma, is the one who runs the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party, and he will never rule that party. People took it to the social media and gave Shivambu a warning. One said, Floyd left Economic Freedom Fighters because he'd never become president. He will not last with MK Zuma Family Business Party. Duduzile won't take orders from him. Another one said, Floyd Shivambu leaving a national party to join a regional and tribalist party will never make sense to me. It would have made sense if he joined the ANC. Someone also said, Jacob Zuma is a glue that holding Umkhonto we Sizwe Party together, but once he departs from this earth, Duduzile will take over and there will be a huge revolt. The party will implode like coke and tear itself apart, and the likes of Manye will return to the ANC. Another one said, so Floyd is joining a non-starter, Zuma Stockwell. The MK party is facing certain death because it has no direction. Its compass is frail, but sly 82-year-old leader Duduzile won't be outshined by anyone in his father's party. Someone also said, however, this move can help Umkhonto we Sizwe Party return some of its voters at a tiny margin. Floyd might give MK Party some sort of stability and reformed structures that can outline Zuma. However, Duduzile Zuma is set to